Namaskar. Have you noticed that people today are becoming sick much earlier than before? People in their 30s are developing health problems that were once common only in their 50s and 60s. Let us look at 7 dangerous signs that your body may be unhealthy. And with each sign, I will share a few simple yet highly effective solutions to help you restore your health naturally. The first sign is that you wake up tired, even after sleeping for 7 to 8 hours. Tell me if this sounds familiar. You wake up exhausted, immediately reach for tea or coffee, and feel like you need an hour just to become functional. This is not normal. The body does most of its repair work while you sleep. So if you are waking up tired every day, it means that body is not recovering properly. The yogic solution is simple but powerful. Sleep by 10 p.m. whenever possible, avoid screens before bedtime, and expose yourself to morning sunlight every day. Before sleeping, practice 5 minutes of Yogendra pranayama number 1 or equal breathing. Proper rest is one of the greatest medicine available to us. The second sign your body is unhealthy is that your stomach feels heavy, bloated, or uncomfortable after every meal. Many people say, my digestion has always been weak. But a healthy digestion should not be a struggle. If every meal leaves you feeling sluggish, gassy, or uncomfortable, your digestive system is asking for help. In yoga, we say that health begins with good digestion because poor digestion eventually affects every system in your body. The solution is to eat freshly prepared food, chew your food properly, and avoid eating looking at your phone or television. One habit I strongly recommend is taking up 10 minutes walk after every meal. Along with this, practice Pavan Muktasan every day before eating, as it helps improve digestion and releases accumulated gas. You must also make it a habit to practice Vajrasan 5 minutes after meals. The next sign is increasing fat around stomach. This is very important warning sign because belly fat is not just about appearance. It often indicates that stress hormones are elevated, insulin sensitivity is declining, and inflammation is increasing inside the body. Particularly dangerous is visceral fat, the fat that surrounds the internal organs. The solution is to move more. Our body is designed for movement, not for sitting all day. Take movement breaks every 30 minutes and practice 5 to 10 rounds of Surya Namaskar in the morning daily. You can also include Dhanurasan and Naukasan, which help improve metabolism and keep body active. The fourth sign is brain fog and difficulty in concentration. Today, the brain is overloaded with information and never gets a chance to rest. We are constantly stimulated. This keeps body in the state of stress, and over time, the stress may become the cause over many diseases. The yogic solution is to create periods for mindfulness every day. Keep the first 30 minutes after waking up completely screen free and spend few minutes on meditation and prayer. Along with this, practice Brahmari pranayama for few rounds daily. This gentle humming sound really helps calm the nervous system, reduce mental noise, and increase concentration. You should also practice Tratak, a simple gazing technique where you steadily focus on a flame of candle. Tratak improves mental clarity and increases your attention span. A calm mind is one of the greatest protectors against disease. The fifth sign is that you constantly crave sugar, tea, coffee, or snacks to keep yourself going. Energy should come naturally from within. If you constantly depend on stimulants like caffeine, it often means that your body is struggling to regulate its energy properly. In simple words, you are borrowing energy instead of creating it. Over time, this catches up with you. So make it a habit to eat balanced meal at regular time and include fresh fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, and adequate protein. Avoid long gaps between meals and reduce processed food. At the Yoga Institute, we always emphasize sattvic food because it nourishes both body and the mind. And if you are someone who has a habit of stress eating, then do this. Whenever you feel hungry compulsively, then drink water with lemon and cinnamon powder. If your cravings still don't go, then try to go outdoors for 10 minutes. Now let's look at the next sign of an unhealthy body, which is stiffness and pain. How many of you wake up every morning with stiff back, tight shoulders, and painful knees and simply accept it as part of life? In many cases, this is not age, it is the consequence of inactivity, poor posture, and inflammation. Remember, movement is lubrication for joints. The less you move, the older your body begins to behave. For this, you must commit yourself for daily asana practices for 30 minutes. I recommend Yogendra Talasana, Yogendra Balasana, Setu Bandhasana, Bhujangasana, and Yogendra Parvatasana. Even 10-15 minutes of asanas every day makes a tremendous difference to how your body feels. Now let's understand the seventh sign, which is feeling stressed, irritable, and overwhelmed at the time. Perhaps you find yourself getting angry more easily than before. Perhaps even small inconveniences leave you feeling frustrated or mentally exhausted. This is not simply a personality trait. It may be a sign that your nervous system is constantly in the state of overdrive. Today, many of you live in a permanent state of stress without even realizing it. Over time, this affects your hormones, sleep, digestion, immunity, and overall health. So, here, yoga teaches you to create stillness every day. Spend a few minutes in silence. Practice pranayams. If you are someone who remains stuck in negativity, then practice Pratipaksha Bhavana. In this technique, whenever your mind has a negative thought, replace it immediately with two positive thoughts. This practice has a power to change your mindset and turn you into a winner. Just try it out and practice it consistently. Because remember that relaxed mind is not a luxury, it is a necessity for good health and successful life. Now, if you recognize some of these 7 signs, do not panic. Instead, make a few changes. You see, health does not begin in the hospital. It often begins in our daily habits. So let me share 5 non-negotiable habits that I recommend everyone make a part of their daily life for a healthier body and calmer mind. Sleep before 10 p.m. even on weekends. Move your body every day even if it is for 20-30 minutes. Eat freshly prepared sattvic meal. Avoid packaged food and processed food. Spend at least 10 minutes every day in silence, meditation, or prayer. Practice yoga consistently rather than intensely because small daily efforts create lifelong health. Your body is incredibly intelligent and it is constantly trying to communicate with you. The earlier you pay attention, the easier it is to restore balance. Yoga will always guide you to being more energetic, independent, mentally sharp, and joyful through every stage of life. Because the goal is not just to live longer, the goal is to live with complete health, happiness, and inner well being. Namaskar.